Welcome, learners. In this 5-minute video, we're going to break down one of the most important topics in Java: conditional statements. We'll learn how to use if, else, and else if to make decisions in your program. Let's get started. Let's start with a simple question. How do you make decisions in your programs? Of course, by using conditional statements. For example, if you're hungry, eat food, else drink water. This same logic can be written in Java using if, else, and else if statements. Let's look at the basic if statement. Java int age equals 80. System.out println. Here, the program checks, is age greater than or equal to 8? If yes, it prints, you can vote. If not, it simply skips this block. Now, let's see the output for age equals 8. 1. When we run this code, the output will be, you can vote. What if we change the value of age to 2? Now, when we run the code, nothing will be printed because 16 is not greater than or equal to. Now, let's add the else part to our if statement. Java int age equals system.out.println. Else system.out.println. Now, the program will always print one of the two messages. Let's run this code. 3. Here, since 16 is not greater than or equal to 80, it will print, you cannot vote. So now we know about the if and else statements. What if we have multiple conditions to check? That's where else if is useful. Let's say we want to determine the grade based on the marks obtained by a student. Java int marks equals 85 if system.out.println. Else if system.out.println, system.out.println. Java checks each condition one by one and executes the first one that is true. Now let's run this code. 4. Since 85 is greater than or equal to 75, the output will be grade B. Now suppose we change the value of marks to 92. 5. Now 92 is greater than or equal to 90. So the output will be grade. Now suppose we change the value of marks to 6. Here 55 is not greater than or equal to 60. So the output will be fail. These are the basic if else and else if statements. They are very useful to make decisions in your programs based on certain conditions. Let's look at a real-life example. Suppose we want to build a simple weather program. Java string weather equals rainy. System.out println. Else if system.out.println. System.out println. In this example, we have 3 possible conditions. 1, if the weather is sunny, we print wear sunglasses. 2, else if the weather is rainy, we print take an umbrella. 3, else, which means if none of the above conditions are true, we print check the weather app. Let's run this code. Since the weather is rainy, the output will be take an umbrella. That's all for this video. We've covered if else and else if statements. These are the building blocks for making decisions in your programs. Before we close, let's quickly if checks a condition else, runs when the if is false else. If checks more than one condition. Keep practicing these concepts and you'll master this topic in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Java tutorials.